In this video, I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can make your covers look absolutely stunning. So the first thing to note here is that with Better Proposals, you're not designing for any set specific size. It's not for your screen, it's not for someone's phone, it's not for a piece of paper. You're not designing for any specific size. Everything gets automatically adjusted and made to look as best as it possibly can for that specific device. So with that said, try not to over-engineer the covers. It's generally the bit that people will put most effort into historically, but you don't need to worry too much about it with Better Proposals because most of the design is all handled for you. You just need to stick your content in. So a couple of quick things on how to make these covers look cool then. So first things first, the best combination of anything I've ever seen is a really, really nice photograph on the background, white text, white flooded logo. So I'll explain each thing. So with your photo, just go to something like unsplash.com. Most of you have probably heard of it, but if you haven't, it's a completely free photography website. All users submitted photos, tons of different variety on there. So go and find some stuff that looks really cool on there. You don't need to pay, you don't need to do anything, just download them and put them straight into Better Proposals. The next thing is to always use white text on those photos as a general rule. There might be a couple of examples where you wouldn't, but as a general rule, always use white text. Align them left and center, depending on the photo. You can use your own judgment there. And then lastly, with your logo, you always want to make sure that this kind of matches the text. So white text, and if you can, just flood the logo white. I'll put an example on the video somewhere as to what I mean by that. But that combination of a white logo, white text, and a really nice artistic photo on the background is always going to look the best than I've ever seen. So hope that helps. Enjoy.